Good morning, Badr.
Good morning.
How are you, dear?
Good.
Happy Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Are you fasting?
Yes.
Good for you. Okay, here comes Khalid. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Good morning, Khalid. Can you raise your voice?
Yes.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Alhamdulillah.
How is it going so far? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that. Okay, guys, we're going to start our lesson. And whenever any other classmates join in, they will be more than welcome, okay? So actually, this Zoom session is allocated for Chapter 11 review. By the end, I will first share the screen and tell me if you can see what I'm sharing, okay? Here, share. Can you all see it now? Chapter 11 review?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So by the end of this session, you will be able to find the surface area of cubes and rectangular prisms. What to expect? We will be actually calculating the area of a square, then that of a cube. We will later move on to calculate the area of a rectangle and then the area of a rectangular prism. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are you first familiar with the difference between 2D and 3D shapes?
Yes.
Who can tell me? Yes, Badr.
A 3D shape is the Miss. What's the question? What's the question again?
What's the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape? Just like, for example, when I say square and cube, which one is the 2D shape?
The 2D shape is the square.
Bravo. And the cube would be the?
3D shape.
Excellent. What about you, Khalid? If I say rectangle and rectangular prism, which one of these is the 2D shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Why? Because as its name suggests, it is called 2D. It has only two dimensions, the length and the width. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
But when I speak about 3D shapes, it means that I have three dimensions. In addition to the length and width, I also have the height. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. So let's proceed. Area of a square. As you can see, this is the picture of a square. What is the length of its side?
3 centimeters.
3 centimeters.
3 centimeters, bravo. And what do we know about squares? What about their sides? Are they equal or not?
They have equal. Their sides are all equal.
Bravo, it has 4 sides and all of them are equal, okay?
Yes.
So the area, when finding or looking for the area of a square, we are actually finding the surface space of a two-dimensional shape. It is measured in square units. So, as you can see, a 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter square would have 9 squares covering it. Clear?
Yeah.
Can you count the square units? How many do we have?
9.
9. Why? Because?
3 times 3 is 9.
Excellent. To find the area of a square, we must multiply the side by side. So the area would be side squared, or S times S. Since the length of each side is 3, I would multiply 3 by 3 to get 9 square centimeters. Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Very good. Now, what do we see in the picture?
A cube.
Cube.
It's a cube. Can you read for me, Khalid, what is a cube?
It has 4 sides. It's an equal shape.
Pay attention. Is it actually 4 sides only? We're not talking about square this time. Look at the picture. You have a cube. How many sides does it have?
5.
Okay, pay attention. Do you have any cubic shape next to you in the room where you sit?
Yes.
No.
No.
I have a tissue.
Tissue box? Okay. Can you count for me? Who's this? Badr, right?
Yeah.
Can you count for me the sides or the faces of the tissue box? How many you have?
6.
Okay. Khalid, I will get to show you now why a cube has 6 faces, okay? First of all, I want you to read what you're seeing on the screen. What is a cube? Can you read?
It has squares on all sides.
So
All
read
sides are
first. No. From the beginning. A cube is a 3D solid.
a cube is a 3D solid.
Mm-hmm.
It has on all sides. All sides are of equal length.
Okay, so do you agree with this, Khalid?
Yes.
So all the sides or all the faces have the shape of the square and all sides are of equal length. Now, when I ask you to find the surface area, well, I'm actually looking for the amount of space covering the outside of a 3-dimensional shape. Look at this picture, Khalid. Follow with the arrows, okay?
Okay.
What do I have here? One face, right? It is at the top.
At the top.
Bravo. And here, what do I have?
At the bottom.
Bottom. So far, I have 2 faces. One at the top, one at the bottom. We all agree on that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's follow the arrows once again. Here we have, this is one face. This is the other. Then this one at the back, and this one from the other sides. Count them, Khalid. How many faces can you see now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
So how many faces does a cube have?
6.
6 faces. Bravo. So, again, the surface area we said, it's in the amount of space covering the outside of a 3-dimensional shape. It is like painting all the sides of a solid, just like you have any cubic item. And I ask you to paint it. How many faces will you be painting?
6.
6. So to find the surface area of a cube, we are actually calculating the area of each of the faces. Can you see now the 6 faces clearly?
Yes.
Okay, so to calculate the surface area, once again, what do I need to find out first? The area of what?
The area of the cube.
Yes. No. Listen.
The area of the net.
Cube. We say surface area of the cube, okay? Since we said that a cube is made up of 6 faces, so finding out the area of one of the squares would help me find the rest of the areas. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So calculate the area of one side, and then you multiply it by 6. SA, which represents surface area, is equals to 6 times S. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, very good. What do you see in front of you now?
The net of the cube.
Bravo. Can any one of you tell me exactly what a net is?
A net is the, Miss, you see the cube? When you open the cube, it will be the net.
Excellent. So then when the square faces of a cube are separated at the edges and laid out flat, they make a 2-dimensional figure called net. Okay? Khalid, how many representations of the net can you see?
8. 7.
7. Bravo. What's common for them all?
I cannot hear you.
Can you repeat?
Miss, I can't hear you said.
Okay, what is common? These are all nets of a cube, right? They're having kind of different shapes, but what's common? What do they all have in common?
They're all. Miss, can I say?
Yeah.
They're all cubes.
Okay, they can all make up a cube, correct. But look for something else. Can you count?
The faces are.
They all have 6 sides.
Bravo, or 6 faces, right?
6 faces, yeah.
Yes, exactly. So whatever kind or type of net I draw to help me find the surface area of a cube, it must have how many faces?
6.
6. Why? Because when I fold it back again, I should have a cube, and as we agreed, a cube must have 6 faces. Fine so far?
Yes.
Khalid?
Yes.
Understood. Okay, very good. Now, let's work out an example together and find the surface area of these cubes. Can you see them?
Yes.
Okay, Badr, I will assign the first cube for you. You will be doing question 1. And Khalid, you will be doing question 2. Okay? I'll give you 2 minutes. Is it fine? Because it's very easy and simple. I want you to draw the cube on your paper. Write down the side length because I'll be watching you working it out. Okay?
Okay.
Miss,
Mm-hmm.
should we times 13 times 6?
Okay, just wait, dear, I'm sharing again my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, what is your question, Badr?
Should we times 13 times 6?
What do you think?
Yes.
Of course. What about you, Khalid? What have you done so far?
Good.
Khalid, I cannot see you.
I'm sorry.
Miss, I got the answer.
Okay, just wait a second. What about you, Khalid? Are you done?
Not yet.
Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute. Khalid, your camera keeps going off. Why?
I don't. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yes, now it's good. Just leave it there, okay? Remember, Khalid, let's help him out better together.
Okay.
To find out the surface area of a cube, what do I need to find first? The area of one of the?
Cubes. One of the squares.
Bravo. What is the
9
side
times
length of the square you have?
9.
Uh-huh. And this is the area of one of the faces. How many faces do you have, Khalid? 6.
Six.
What would be your surface area?
9 times 6.
Uh-huh.
9 times 6 is...
Someone needs to review his multiplication table. What would it be, Khalid? 9 times 6?
51.
قريب.
54.
54.
Okay, dear. Clear? What about you, Badr? Tell me, what did you get?
I got 78
Why 78? Can you explain for us?
because the cube has 6 sides, and the number that you gave me is 13, so 13 times 6 is 78.
Excellent. Now, let's work out another example. Okay, Khalid?
Okay.
Okay, let's see here. Yes, Khalid. I'll give you question number 4, and Badr will do question number 5.
Okay.
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 Khalid, I cannot see you again.
Why?
Okay, I'm asking, giving you a request to. Okay, now I can see you. So please work out question 4 and question 5.
Miss, I'm done.
Wow. What is your answer?
90.
Why is it so?
Because the number is 15. You need to multiply 15 by all the sides, so 15 times 6 is 90.
Bravo, but pay attention. We will not multiply 15 by all of the sides, all of the faces.
Yeah, only all the faces.
Bravo.
Miss,
Okay.
I did it. 11 times 6, 66.
Okay. But let me ask you a question, guys. So far, what you've done is you multiplied 6 by each length, right? The side length.
Yeah.
But you just pinpointed the mistake you were doing by yourself. Question, Badr. We said that we will multiply the area by the 6 faces, correct?
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
but you were actually multiplying by what?
One face.
No, not even one face. What were you multiplying by?
All the faces.
You were multiplying by one length side only. Remember, let's get back here. Wait. What did we say about the area? Area is side what?
Times.
Squared. Correct?
Times. Yeah.
Did you square the side?
No.
No. See, that was the same mistake you did in your assignment. So I wanted you to reach the correct answer by yourself, okay? So are you ready to do them now?
Yeah.
With no more mistakes of such kinds? Okay, let me show you again the example. Be careful, guys. Okay, let's do again. Badr, question 1. No, this time Badr will do question 2 and Khalid will do question 1.
Okay.
You're finding difficulty? Okay, let's do the first one together. Okay, then you will proceed. What is the side length that I have?
13.
13. What would be the area of one of these squares?
13?
13.
No. No. The side length is 13. We said the area is side times side, right? So what is side by side? Which value shall I put? 13 times 13.
13.
Right?
13 times 13.
Yes. Remember at the very beginning, let's get back to the example I gave you. Here. See this one? What did you tell me about the area? You said 3 times 3, right? And we said the answer is 9 square units.
Miss, I have the answer.
No, wait, it's not about the answer only, Badr. I want you to get it right, okay?
Okay.
Clear, Khalid? So to find
Yes.
the area of one of the squares, I must multiply or double actually the side length. Clear?
So
Okay, wait. Let me get back to the example. So for the first one, let's do it together. What is the side length once again?
13.
13.
13. What would be the area of the first square?
13.
13 times,
13.
which is what?
13. 29.
No, pay attention. 13.
Wait.
Wait, guys. 13 times 13. New share. Wait, I will share with you the whiteboard. Let's do it together. Share. Wait a minute. Stop share. Okay, I will share with you. Share screen, whiteboard, share. Can you see now?
No.
13. You cannot see it?
Yes.
Okay.
can.
13 times.
Miss, I can't see it.
Khalid,
I can.
what are you seeing? You're seeing what I'm writing? 13
I'm
times
seeing-
13?
I'm seeing black, and then it's written the ابتهاج has started screen sharing.
Yes. So maybe it's a matter of time. It's your connection, but that it could be.
My connection, my bars are full. Oh wait.
Hmm.
Oh no, it's good. It's
Now? Can you see now? What, Badr?
It's connected.
Okay, can you see what I wrote? 13 times 13?
No.
Okay, write it on a piece of paper in front of you, Badr.
Okay.
Khalid, we will do it together and Badr will be listening to us, right? 3 times 3?
9.
9. Okay. 3 times 1?
3.
Okay. Then we're gonna put plus.
0.
Yes, bravo. We will put a 0 for sure because we're moving to the tens. Now, what do we do? 1 times 3, which is what?
1 times 3 is 3, and then 1 times 1 is 1.
Okay.
And then you add it, and then you add it, and then you get. I have the answer.
What does it say it?
169.
So is it the same one you told me about a minute ago?
No.
Okay. So let's get back to our example. Pause share, new share. Let's go back to our presentation. Okay. So the first example, we said the area of the first square would be what?
Miss, I cannot see the example.
Why? Resume share. Okay, just a minute. Now,
No.
Khalid, can you see it?
Yes.
Miss, should I X and then come back?
No, dear. No need to exit this or to end the meeting. Okay, wait. I'll try again. Okay, just a minute.
I'll come quick.
No, dear. Wait. Stop share. Okay. Now I will do from the beginning. Share here. Can you see now, Badr?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we're still in the first example. We said the area of the first side or face. What would it be? 13 times 13, and the example or the answer would be what?
169.
Okay, Khalid, focus, please. 169. So this is the area of one of the squares. So how many squares do we have?
6.
6. So what shall we do now?
We times it with 6.
Bravo. Please find out the answer for me, Khalid and Badr. So 6 times 169.
6 times 9 is 54.
Do it silently, Badr, so Khalid can do it as well. Waiting for your answer, Khalid. We said that the area of the square is 169, right? We have 6 squares, so please multiply 169 by 6 and tell me the answer.
Okay.
Miss, I'm done. No,
What
wait.
about you, Khalid? Okay, listen, Badr, send it to me as chat. Can you do that?
Yeah, okay, but wait, Miss. Wait, let me double check it.
Okay. Khalid, you doing it? Okay.
Miss, I'll send it.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Wait, I forgot how.
Did you get the same answer, Badr?
I got 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
1,014.
Excellent. What about you, Khalid?
I'm still, I have one step.
Bravo, Badr. Wow, I'm so amazed. Khalid, let me tell you something, dear. You must memorize and review your multiplication table, okay? Because it's taking a lot of time from you. Okay? Guys, because you joined late and there was some technical issue at the beginning, we still have only 2 minutes to end up this meeting. So let's try to recap what we've learned so far. Can you tell me, Khalid, our lesson was about what?
About cube. Find the surface area of each cube.
Excellent. Finding the surface area of a cube. Badr, to be able to find the surface area of a cube, I should first find the surface area of a
Of the square.
Bravo. And then, Badr,
And then
Khalid, after finding the area,
the face side.
yes, he said that we will find the surface area, or actually the area of one of the faces. Then you should multiply it by what?
By 6.
Bravo. Why shall we multiply it by 6, Khalid?
This is the cube.
Bravo. So is the concept clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So again, to find out the surface area of a cube, we must find the area of one of the faces. And since the cube is made up of 6 faces, I multiply 6 by the area of each area square. Okay, so 6 by the area of one of the squares. Is it clear?
Yes.
So no more mistakes in this regard?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. We have, what is the timing, Sean, on your screen, Badr?
It's 10:40.
10:40. Anyway, let's move on to the next topic that will be covered the other session or the next session, okay? We'll be basically...
When will we have the next session?
I will be informing you on Edmodo, okay, dear?
Okay, Miss, but today will we have homework?
Yes, I will be asking you on Edmodo just to find out the surface area of some cubes, okay?
Okay.
So that's it. The area of a square, we look it up, we calculate it. Then to find out the surface area of a cube, we multiply 6 by the area of a square. Clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your attendance. Those of you who understood the lesson, please raise your hands. Can you do that?
Yes.
Oh, you don't know how to do it on the screen itself?
Oh, I can.
Show me. Show me how good you are at technology. Yes, but
I
they
did it.
did it already. Bravo. Anyway, wish you a very blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak to you and your families. Have a great day and see you soon on Zoom. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.